This actually was my first design. There was a small tree, camellia tree, in my mother's garden. The tree started producing red flowers. And I always looked forward to it because that is a sign that spring will be here soon. And as a little girl, spring meant a lot. In springtime, we can wear different clothes. So I started out the idea of my mother's camellia trees. White camellia symbolizes perfect beauty. And so it's not that it has anything to do with snow or something that brings back the memory of winter, but this transitional time was important, and so I created this one. Now, oftentimes I use photographs, and then I start creating a drawing based on the photograph. And sometimes I do just a quick study like this, and then simplify the shape, basic shape. And then I transfer the information onto my iPad and go from there.